How's it going, YouTube? My name's Soul State and we are back for another video. Today we're going to discuss the restock of the Nike Dunk Low Union Argons that are going to be releasing tomorrow, actually. We're going to be seeing the release on Snkrs, so I guess this isn't a restock, but a release on Snkrs. This is the absolute last chance. We thought it was the last chance last time, but this is the absolute last chance. So in this video, we're going to go over everything you need to know for the Snkrs release. We're going to talk about some tips and tricks of ways that you can increase your chances of copying on Snkrs. And of course, we're going to touch on resale analysis of this shoe. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you're brand new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you think about these Argon Union Dunks. Without further ado, boys, let's get into the video and discuss how to cop the Nike Union Dunk Argon. Alright, boys, as you can see, we are here on the Dunk Low Union Argon. We are going to be seeing these release April 7th at 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern, wherever your time zone is located. And as you guys can see, this dunk is actually coming in at a higher price tag than normal. We are going to see this dunk released for $150 instead of the normal $110. This is pretty standard because this is a dunk that is in collaboration with a company like Union. It's pretty standard to see a higher retail price, so no shocks there. This shoe has grown on me a bit from the original release of these shoes. You guys know whenever they released, I favored the Court Purple pair over the Argon pair, but they have grown on me specifically for the sole right here. If you guys see this nice blue colorway, it's grown on me. The more I've seen it, the more in-hand pictures I've seen, I really am enjoying this colorway, and I'm really enjoying the blue. And the orange is manageable. So you guys can see, though, this is a nice, really nice icy blue outsole here, with the Union LA logo right in there, and also right in there on the insole as well. So a really nice overall shoe. I would hope to get a personal pair of these, but we'll see. This is going to be a super, super low stock release. Copying these are going to be difficult, just like everything else on Snkrs, honestly. But this is going to be especially tough because this is going to be a super low stock drop, and everyone is going to be going for it. Just a quick note before we move on to the resale analysis and some Snkrs tips and tricks. The Court Purple, they posted a picture about where you could potentially find those. I haven't heard anything else about it, so I would just assume that nothing's happening with those, and we're just going to see the Argons restocking tomorrow morning. So be ready for the Argons. Now let's head over to StockX. We'll check out some of the resale analysis of this shoe. Some very interesting things that I've noticed over the past couple days, and the price difference between those bigger sizes. So if you take a look right here, the difference between a size 10 and a size 10.5 is like $30. So that's a pretty big difference. And then if you look from size 10.5 to 11, that's another $40 difference. And then from size 11, 11.5, another $50 difference. So as you guys can see, the prices are just going up as the sizes go up. It makes total sense, right? Lower stock in those sizes, less pairs on the market, so obviously the prices are going to be a little bit more. So go for bigger sizes, prioritize the bigger sizes, but any size that you get in these, you would do very well in. So really any pair that you can cop, definitely go for it. Just a few tips that I have for Snkrs as a whole. Guys, remember some Snkrs tips and tricks. Make sure that you make multiple accounts. You enter in as many accounts as possible, whether you're going manual or whether you're going to try to bot. Obviously, you want as many accounts as possible. But one thing that a lot of people don't know is you need to use different payment methods on all of your different profiles. Nike has been really cracking down on seeing the same payment method listed on multiple accounts, and they basically just filter those out automatically. So make sure that you have different payment methods for each entry. Obviously, hard cards are always the best. Things like any type of debit card or credit card is going to be your best way to go. The more that you have, the better. The more unique billing profiles you can make for Snkrs, the better. I would say don't use privacy I can't confirm it, but I think privacy is clipped when it comes to these Snkrs entries. So don't use privacy, just stay away from it. I think those are going to get filtered pretty heavily on this drop. Nike has been stepping that up, and it'll be pretty tough on this one. So don't go with any privacy cards. And if you are entering multiple times, make sure that you're using a different unique proxy for each one. If you're botting, no problem. If you're entering manually, make sure that each different Chrome tab you have set up or whatever it is, it's connected to a different IP address, a different proxy. If Nike sees 10 different entries coming from the same proxy, the same IP, obviously that's going to sketch them out a little bit. They're going to filter those out pretty easy, and you're obviously going to get soft banned as well. So if you're going to enter multiple times, just make sure you guys have it filtered out, because don't be dumb about it. Don't be stupid. Don't try to enter 25 accounts with the same billing profiles on the same IP. It's going to be like you didn't do anything except get your address banned. So don't do that. Once again, not sure what's happening with the court purple dunks. I don't think we're seeing those at all. If we are, if we do get some news about it, stay tuned in my cook group, Soul Palace. It's linked down below. Guys, Soul Palace has release guides for every single release. We have monitors that monitor every single site, all shoes, all consoles, everything like that. We have NFT flips, brick flips, stuff like that. So if you guys are looking to make any money at all reselling, if you want to take your reselling journey to the next level and actually start making some real profitable money from it, turn this side hustle into more of a business, or just increase your side hustle overall, check out Soul Palace. Right now I'm offering you guys an exclusive deal. I'm going to let you guys join Soul Palace for $1 right now. Link in the description. Go check it out. Only $1 to join Soul Palace right now. Try it out for 30 days. If you don't like it, hey, you only wasted $1, but I guarantee you're going to make a lot more than $1 in your 30 days in Soul Palace, and I hope that you choose to stick around after that. But if you don't, you're only out $1, no big deal. You tried it, wasn't for you. Make sure that you guys join Soul Palace, link down below. Only $1. We're only going to keep that going for a limited time, so make sure that you guys join up. That is it. That's all I have for you guys today on this video. Just a very quick, short, brief video to hopefully get you guys ready to cop these Nike Union Passport Pack Argon Blues on Snkrs, releasing tomorrow, 10 AM Eastern. I can't stress how important this release is. Guys, this is a huge profit shoe. Do not sleep. Make sure that you have multiple accounts. Make sure you wake up early, get your coffee, make sure you're ready to go. Make sure that you enter in on Snkrs, guys. Please don't sleep. Obviously, check out any raffles that you can, but I believe they're all done now. I really think this is the last chance you will have to get these Passport Pack Argon Blues. So make sure that you guys are ready for the release. I appreciate everything. I appreciate all of my channel members. Thank you so much for supporting. If you guys want to become a channel member, join button down below. Free ACO for those channel members over there. Thanks, guys. That's it. I hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday. Get ready for the release tomorrow. We have a big release week lined up in the end. Yeezy Zebras on Saturday. We'll have more videos coming out for you tomorrow at noon Central Time. Have a great day, boys. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Be ready. I hope you cop. I wish you the best of luck. This is Soul State, signing out.